Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Ohio, and we are exploring what I believe would have been the Johnny Appleseed Heritage Center. So this is right next to the abandoned Appleseed amphitheater. So I believe that this was the actual Heritage Center here. And I unfortunately don't know many details about this. It was not open the last time I came here, but now it is wide open. So entering in, you can see we have our little brochure thing where there are actually still some brochures and stuff about local parks, which is pretty cool. And then we have the kind of reception slash kitchenette area. You can see there's some foam cups, stuff like that. Is that food coloring? I think it is. Articolor 12 sticks. We have the kitchenette area again. Some pamphlets for Hazel Willis Woods and the Johnny Appleseed Education Center and Museum, which is in Urbana. Then some beautiful windows out here where you could see nature. Pretty nice. Not a lot of nature to see right now, but hey. And then if we go back here into their storeroom, it looks like it is mostly chairs and binders. Here's something interesting. So there's the Johnny Appleseed Heritage Center, but then J.M. Smucker Auditorium and Library Operation and Maintenance Manual. Very interesting. And then the rest of this is pretty empty. So let's see. This is just like a mechanical area. There's a mini fridge. Lots of machinery. But the big reason this is getting its own video is right here. We have a giant theater in here. Well, not giant, but kind of like a lecture hall, honestly. It reminds me of some of the ones that I would have had in college where, oh God. I don't know if okay, I think they're just old, but basically the desk would fall out to the side. There's a few right there you can see like that. And they have a projector screen where they would probably play like a little movie, I'm assuming, about Johnny Appleseed and his life. And yeah, we still have the Ohio flag here. Now, I don't know about flag code, but that's moldy, so that doesn't seem good. And doesn't look like they left the American flag behind, though. So yeah, this is the Johnny Appleseed Heritage Center. Oh, shoot. They did leave the American flag behind, but it is kind of folded up. Anyway, this is the Johnny Appleseed Heritage Center. Pretty cool. Didn't expect to see this since last time it was completely closed off. I'm not sure if this is getting demolished too, but I would assume it is. Anyway, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.